Hi everyone, welcome back to Made Inside Hub channel. Today we are diving into an important topic of anemia. Anemia is a condition in which the blood lacks of enough healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin, leading to reduced oxygen delivery to tissues. Hemoglobin is the protein in RBCs responsible for carrying oxygen. Types of anemia: iron deficiency anemia caused by a lack of iron leading to reduced hemoglobin production. Vitamin deficiency anemia due to deficiencies in the vitamin B12 or folate. Aplastic anemia, a rare condition where the bone marrow fails to produce enough RBC. Hemolytic anemia, caused by excessive destruction of RBC. Sickle cell anemia, a genetic disorder where RBC are abnormally shaped leading to blockage in the blood flow. Thalassemia, a genetic condition causing defective hemoglobin production. Chronic disease anemia due to underlying conditions like kidney disease, cancer, or autoimmune disorder. Causes of anemia: nutritional deficiencies like lack of iron, vitamin B12, or the folic acid. Blood loss, heavy menstruation, gastrointestinal bleeding, surgery or trauma. Chronic disease, kidney disease, cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, bone marrow disorders, leukemia, myelodysplastic syndromes, genetic condition, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia. Symptoms of anemia: fatigue and weakness, pale or yellowish skin, shortness of breath, dizziness or the light-headedness, cold hands and feet, fast or irregular heartbeat, headaches, brittle nails and hair loss. Diagnosis: CBC complete blood count measures RBC count, hemoglobin and hematocrit levels. Peripheral blood smear examines RBC shape and the size. Iron studied serum iron, ferritin and total iron binding capacity. Vitamin B12 and the folate levels checks for the deficiencies. Bone marrow biopsy in the severe cases to assess bone marrow function. Genetic test for inherited anemias like sickle cell or the thalassemia. Treatment of anemia: nutritional anemia treatment. Iron deficiency, like we have to supply the iron supplements, iron rich food, red meat like spinach, legumes, etc. Vitamin B12 deficiency, B12 injections or the supplements. Folate deficiency, folic acid supplements, green leafy vegetables. Managing chronic disease anemia. Treat underlying condition. Example like kidney disease, cancer, erythropoietin injection in the chronic kidney disease. Treating severe anemia. Blood transfusion for severe blood loss or sickle cell anemia. Bone marrow transplants for the aplastic anemia. Medication like corticosteroids for hemolytic anemia. Prevention of anemia: eat a diet rich in iron, B12 and folic acid. Regular health checkups to detect early signs. Manage chronic disease effectively. Thank you everyone. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who might need it. Let's break the stigma and build a healthier, happier community together. Take care and I will see you in the next video with new information.